In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a credit card to Epic Games quickly and safely. This is useful if you want to make purchases in the Epic Games store, buy games faster, or set up your account for future checkout without re-entering your payment details every time. I'll walk you through each step so you can follow along easily, even if you've never changed payment settings before. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official Epic Games website. Make sure you're on the real Epic Games page before signing in, so you know your account details are safe. Once the website loads, click Sign In and enter the email and password connected to your Epic Games account. If you already have two-factor authentication turned on, complete that step as well. After you're signed in, look at the top right corner of the page and hover over your profile icon. A small menu should appear. From that menu, click Account. This will take you to your account dashboard where you can manage your profile, security settings, and payment options. Now that you're in the account area, look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Find Payment Setting and click it. This is the section where Epic Games lets you manage saved payment methods and add new ones. If you don't see it right away, just take a second to look through the account menu carefully. Inside the payment settings area, you should see an option to add a payment method. Under that section, click Credit or Debit Card. This tells Epic Games that you want to save a card for future purchases. After selecting it, the card setup form will appear. Now enter your credit card details carefully. You'll usually need to type in your card number, expiration date, security code, and billing information if requested. Make sure every detail matches the information on your card and billing statement. Even a small mistake can cause the card to be declined, so double check everything before moving forward. Once you've filled in the required fields, finish setting up your credit card by following the on-screen prompts. Epic Games may ask you to confirm the information or save the payment method. After that, your card should be added to your account and ready to use during checkout. If you plan to make purchases often, this can save you time and make the buying process much smoother. Just remember to keep your Epic Games account secure and only add payment details on the official website. And if you ever want to remove or update the card later, you can always go back to the same payment settings area and make changes there. That's it. You've now learned how to add a credit card to Epic Games step by step. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.